So now that you have a spreadsheet with the planets by name, diameter, distance from the sun, and number of moons, we're now going to sort these. And sorting is very useful, not just with this kind of quick spreadsheet, but suppose you had 30 classmates and you had a column name that had name and month of birth, date of birth, year of birth. You could sort all kinds of things with it. We're going to sort this first. And in order to sort first, you must select everything that you want to sort. So I've taken just the names and the distance in diameter, distance from the sun and the moons. We're going to sort by the name alphabetically because Mercury is the closest to the sun. That's why it's 36. Venus is next closest. Earth is next closest. Pluto is the furthest from the sun. But we're going to do it alphabetically. So I've selected all of these from A2 to D10. And now I'm going to go up to this little thing that has an A and a Z and an arrow. And I'm going to click the little tiny arrow right next to it. And I'm going to click Custom Sort. Custom Sort says add levels to sort by. So sort by column C. Well, I want to change that because I want to sort column A, which is over here. I'm going to change to column A, and then sort on. I'm not even going to change that because I don't need to, but here's A to Z. And now I'm going to click OK, and you'll see Mercury moves because the A to Z, the closest letter that's to A, alphabetically is, well, you'll see. I'm going to click OK, and sure enough, Earth moves up. Jupiter's the second in alphabet, then Mars, Mercury, Neptune, etc. And since I've selected all the cells dealing with all this information, Earth still has one moon and is still 93 million miles away from the sun, etc. So let's do it again. This time, let's find out which planet is furthest from the sun and which planet is furthest from the sun by going to distance from the sun, which is column C. And then we're going to do distance from the sun, largest to smallest, meaning furthest away from the sun compared to closest to the sun. I'm going to put largest to smallest. And you'll see that when I click OK, Pluto is the furthest from the sun at 3,675 million miles, and the closest is Mercury. Now let's try by moons. Which has the most moons, which has the least? Back up here to sort, custom sort. And now I'll move this over. You can see we're in column D. And we're going to go largest to smallest, most moons to least moons. You can see right here, Jupiter's going to be first. Watch. There it is. Jupiter with 13 moons, Saturn with 10, etc. And Venus and Mercury are down at the bottom because they have no moons. So that's how you sort. You can sort names, you can sort places, you can sort lots and lots of different things. But first, all you need to do is make sure you set up the database, or in this case, the spreadsheet, properly, and you'll be in great shape. So let me just do alphabetical order again. Distance from the sun is really what I want. So let me go back. And distance from the sun is right here, which is column C. Change that. And smallest to largest is distances. And here we go, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Hope that helps. Hope you can understand Excel spreadsheets used as a database in this case because we can sort.